have to understand that the 21st century is probably the best time for intellectual property that there's ever been in the history of the world. Why? Because for the first time, nations around the world who were not participants in the intellectual property economy are now getting their act together, from China to Central and South America to Africa to the Caribbean countries that 20 years ago had no infrastructure and mature intellectual property laws. Today have put in place intellectual property laws, government agencies, assistance, legal systems. And your intellectual property is not blocked by any boundary. That same IP has application outside the United States, because if you're working on a mission to help educate people, rehab people, improve their health, move supplies around the world, it's a global issue. When you're out there solving social problems, by its very nature, when you say you have a social problem, if you come up with a solution for your community, you can bet that there's other communities and nations around the world that have the same problem. And if your solution works for them, the way that you create the partnership, the way that you can expand your mission, the way that you can generate revenues is to form a partnership through licensing.